If you think about all that we've accomplished in the last 20 years as an industry, an industry that really didn't exist more than 20 years ago, digital marketing, it really was just an idea. And then, programmatic entering the space about 10 years ago, really disruptively. We've done so much for this industry. We've brought omni-channel as sort of near reality, right? We can touch so many screens in so many places. We've brought real-time decisioning and machine learning to bear on kind of billions of impressions a day. I think we've helped force some real material change in siloed organizations that knew that if they wanted to be customer-centric, they needed to be better. They needed to start working more collectively. We've brought so much more data to bear than ever before. And when I say we, I really just mean the industry, we as a collective. But we have to be honest about the fact that there's still so much more to do, and it's still not really what we want it to be. It hasn't fully realized the promise. If you think about the infrastructure, for example, pixels, header tags, waterfalls, would we have built it that way if we knew how big this industry was going to become, how material, how important? Probably not. Channels that we haven't even really materially touched yet, like television, there's so much opportunity to do so much more. And frankly, I think if you talk to your average teenager who's watching YouTube, they'll say, "Ugh, I hate the advertising," and that just should pain all of us. Like we're not there yet. We're not doing enough. So I think MediaMath sort of looked to the left and IBM looked to the right and saw companies that with sort of very similar visions and very like minds about wanting to solve these problems. So really it's about bringing the might of IBM and the sort of innovation and nimbleness of MediaMath together to really think about what does next generation infrastructure mean? How do we make it open and extensible? How do we make it something that's totally secure and safe? It's about bringing the sort of power of Watson, artificial intelligence, into the bidding process, so essentially creating real cognitive bidding in an advertising environment, really just so that we can do the thing that we all know we want to do, which is deliver an experience that, imagine if a consumer didn't only tolerate it but actually loved it. Like, we want to be able to do that, and so that's really what we're working on.